In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off messages on Google Business Profile. If you want customers to be able to message your business directly from your Google Business Profile, or if you want to temporarily stop those messages, the process is pretty simple. The key thing to remember is that you need to be signed in to the Google account that manages your business profile before you begin. Start by going to Google Search or Google Maps and searching for your business name. When you're logged into the correct account, your business management panel should appear directly in the search results or profile view. This is where you'll manage your messaging settings. To turn messaging on, look for the Messages tab, or in some layouts, you may see a Customers tab instead. Open that section to access your messaging options. From there, choose the option to turn messaging on or open chat settings if that's what appears on your screen, then simply toggle the chat switch to the on position. Once it's active, customers can start reaching out to your business through your profile. In some cases, Google may ask you to add a text-enabled mobile phone number before messaging can be enabled. If that happens, enter the mobile number you want to use for messages and complete the verification process using the code Google Sends. Make sure it's a number that can receive text since that's required for setup. This step helps connect your profile to a working messaging method and confirms that the account is ready to receive customer inquiries. Now, if you want to turn messaging off, maybe because you're unavailable, on vacation, or just don't want to receive chats for a while, you can do that from the same area. Again, search for your business name while signed into your managing account. Open the Messages section, then click or tap More, which is usually shown as the three dots. After that, select Chat Settings. In there, you'll see the chat toggle. Switch it to the off position, and messaging will be disabled. That's really all there is to it. Turning messages on gives customers another easy way to contact you, while turning them off can be helpful when you can't respond promptly. As a general tip, if you do enable messaging, make sure someone is available to reply in a timely way, since quick responses can create a better customer experience. And that's how to turn on or off messages on your Google Business Profile.